Hello and welcome. Great to have you back for the latest update from 24 Trains TV. This week, we've prepared another wide variety of new content for you on the world's largest train library. And now, all of it is also available through our new app, and still for the low price of just $4.99 per month. We have a special offer for you as a loyal viewer. Sign up for a 7-day free trial subscription on 24 Trains TV and get a chance to win tickets for the special train rides. Organized by the Steam Society during Sale 2025, thanks to our partner, we are able to give away 5 tickets for different types of rides. So sign up quickly. In the United Kingdom, there are many heritage railways. Some of these are less well known, such as the Lincolnshire Coast Light Railway. Yet this line has a fascinating collection of rolling stock that was mainly built for use in the trenches of the First World War. Afterwards, they were used on the agricultural railways of Lincolnshire. This report from the Diesel Gala shows you the great variety during a real parade, but above all, enjoy the delightful chugging of the little diesel engines. The railway lines in northern Netherlands are called the Northern Branch Line. They are undoubtedly the most rural railway lines in the Netherlands. So it's wonderfully relaxing to take a cab ride here via 24 Trains TV and to be able to enjoy the beautiful nature and wide open landscapes. The Pressnitz Valley Railway is a German narrow gauge line that seems to have an everlasting allure. Powerful mallet locomotives that have to work hard to move their trains through the valley are undoubtedly the reason for this. After the closure and dismantling in the 1980s, a group of enthusiasts began to completely rebuild the line, with a magnificent result. Anyone who hasn't visited the line yet will undoubtedly want to after watching this 24 Trains TV feature. Our train of the week this time is a Swiss classic, the EB 245,469. This locomotive is the only preserved locomotive of the Jura-Simplon Railway. And even today, it is still operational on the Swiss railways. In these exclusive archival images, we see this and other Swiss museum equipment in the 1970s and 1980s. And finally in this update, another look back at 2024 when the 150th anniversary of the Eastern Railway was celebrated in grand style with a day of special shuttle rides to and from Amersfoort. 24 Trains TV was there and brings you an exclusive report of this one-time event. That's it for this week, but on 24 Trains TV, there's always more to discover. Feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? No worries, because 24 Trains TV also has its own channel where you can watch a wide variety of train videos 24/7. That way you don't have to choose anything yourself, just sit back and enjoy. And you can even watch it on your TV. Try it all out via our website or app. See you next time.